Hello guys. Apparently I was late at submitting my performance task because it was on October 13, not on October 17. So, I'm gonna do this real quick. Last math video I made, it was about the application of trigonomic ratios in real life. And that was last year. Today, we will learn about arithmetic and geometric sequence and an example of it in real life. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence where every term after the first term, a sub 1, is obtained by adding a constant called common difference. Let's say you have a piggy bank or something of a jar to collect money. You've collected so far. So you put $4 inside the jar for the first day. Wow. That's basically the a sub 1 of the problem. This is the first time. And the second day, you put another $4. Boom! That's it! $8! Bro, you're like one step closer to being rich! And you know you put $4 for the first and second day. So that means you're putting another $4 in the third day. My legs hurt. So now, you have 12. And then the fourth day, you put another 16. I was talking to the mic wrong. I was fine. So out of nowhere, you're like, wow, I wanna know. I wanna know, no. So out of nowhere, you were like, wow, I now wanna know how much I'll get after 31 days. I totally didn't take 5 takes. Well, you can find out by just multiplication, 4 times 31. But it's math, so we're gonna try to make it as complicated as we can.
Hi, so now I'm in my room talking about this thing. As you can see, this is basically the problem we have. We're looking for a sub 31 while we only have a sub 1 to a sub 4. So the first thing to do is to find the common difference. And to find the common difference, it should be d equals a sub 2 minus a sub 1. After we go apply that formula to this problem, we get 4 as a common difference. Now we'll actually get to the solution to solve the problem to find the amount of money you will get after 31 days. So the formula will be this thingamajiggy you'll find at your screen right now. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 d, which n minus 1 is in parentheses. A sub n as the nth term, a sub 1 as the first term, n as the number term, and d as the common difference. If you apply all this within mind of PEMDAS rule, it'll turn out like this. The answer to everything will be $124. Woo! You're now rich. You got $124 after a month, and now you're gonna spend that all in buying skins for a video game that you like and hate at the same time.
That's it for the arithmetic sequence. Now we go to the geometric sequence. A geometric sequence or a progression is a sequence in which each term is obtained from the preceding term by multiplying a common ratio. Let's say there's a new movie that came out today, and it was League of Legends the movie. Something like that. I don't know. What if we say there's about 5 people who came in the first hour? Damn, for a cinema, that kind of sucks. Imagine like opening of cinema and there's like only 5 people who went to your movie. But hey, let's say the friends of those 5 people recommended to their other friends. You know what happens in the next hour? At the second hour, there were 15 people who came in. Still, that isn't enough for a cinema, but that's still increasing. And then, boom! Now you're wondering, what if there were 15 people who came in the second hour? How about if we open up for 6 hours? Well, you're about to find out right now.
Hi, so I'm in my room again, talking about geometric sequence this time. Right now, what you see in your screen is basically the problem. You're looking for a sub 6 in the sequence. Just like the common difference earlier, finding the common ratio of a geometric sequence is crucial to solving this problem. The solution to find the common ratio is r equals a sub 2 divided by a sub 1. So if you apply that here in this problem, it will be r equals 15 divided by 5 equals 3, which is now our common ratio. So the formula to solve this entire problem, the formula is a sub n equals a sub 1, open parentheses, r, close parentheses, to the power of n minus 1, where a sub n is the nth term, or whatever that's called, a sub 1 is the first term, n is the number term, and r is the common ratio. Okay, so we apply everything and follow the basic PEMDAS rule, so PEMDAS, 6 minus 1 equals 5, which 3 to the power of 5 equals 258, and then times 5, we get 1240 for our final answer. Let's go! That's a lot of people for 6 hours. Wow. Well, actually I don't know how cinemas work, so I'm not sure if that's actually a lot of people, but at least we found out, right?
So today we learned 2 things: how to solve an arithmetic sequence and how to solve a geometric sequence. Ask yourself, Are you ever ask yourself, are you ever gonna need this in real life? Actually, though, you might be able to use this in real life, such as the situations that we talked about earlier. So you know what, math? You actually won this time. Thank you for listening to my rant, and I mean my explanation on how to solve these type of problems. And I'll see you probably next year.